rectangle, very good. Oh, put it back. You had it.
Put it in.
Put it in there. It's not quite in. Push it. Push it. Push it. You had it in. There you go. There you go. Okay. Okay, where's the triangle go? Gotta finish the job. There you go. Where's the square go? Where's the square go? You can make it fit. Make it fit. Here, let me help you. There you go.
Nice. Yay!
You gotta get the oval one first. Then we'll clap. No, oval goes here, honey. What are you doing? Oh,
Great job! Yeah! Clap, clap. Can you do it one more time? Get them all turned over.
Okay.
Look at that face.
Let's do the circle. Where's the circle go? You being silly now? Yep, there you go. Good job. Excellent. Very good. Yeah, get the triangle. Get the triangle. Get the triangle. Where's the triangle go? Yeah, it goes there. You gotta make it, put it in. Come on, you can get it. Put it in. Elijah, what are you doing? Put that in the triangle. There you go. What do you want me to do? You know how to do it. Okay, let's just put it down. Try for the square. Try for the square. Where's the square go? No. It goes right here. There
She was looking at it. She was going to get it.
You got it. Come on, put it in there.
Put it all the way in.
Put it all the way in. Put it all the way in. Are you checking out?
Now she's bored.
Okay, thanks. Twice.
It's very good. I didn't even know she could do all of that by herself.
Is that a wolf? Is that a doggy? What's the doggy say, Eliza?
The doggy likes to jump on Daddy.
Mm-hmm.
You're a pretty girl.